All right, folks, what we have here is a Hemi Challenger 5.7. This is a 2015. All right, what we're going to do here is we're going to do an air filter change. STP SA 11257. Found that auto zone. Now to change the filter, it's right here and here. Okay, you're going to need a screwdriver to take this hose clamp off. You're going to take the same screwdriver or a Phillips screwdriver and take off these 3 screws, and it's going to come out like this. You're going to pull it towards you, up and out, all right? Because there's 3 little slots in there that it slides into. So after you take the screws out, you lift it up, you pull it towards you. You can leave that hose there attached to it, it'll be okay. You flip it up and out of the way. Okay, there it is. This is the filter. You can see some of the dirt on it already. Look at that. See that? All dirt. All right, take the new filter and you place it right in there. Perfect. And these are the 3 slots that I told you about. All right, these are the 3 slots that go into 1, 2, and 3. All right, make sure the new filter is in. You're going to take that filter, you're going to flip it back, slide it into the 3 slots, fold it back down, connect your hose, and then put your 3 screws back together. All right, let's see, do this with the left hand. I need 2 hands to hold this hose back. All right, other than that, it should be good. All right, so get that slot to go in there in the back. Now let's do it. All right, like I said, let's line up the 3 slots back there. Then the cover comes down. We'll put the hose on at the same time right now. Okay, it should sit nice and square. Make sure it doesn't move. And we are going to turn these screws in. Get that one just to set it in. Next one. Do it with power tools. You could do it with a Phillips. You could do it with a straight blade. Will be fine. Now, the last time this car was serviced from someplace, I don't know, it was the dealer or someplace, when they changed that air filter, this here was loose. Okay, this hose right here was loose. When I got to it, the clamp was moving around. So, depending on where you get your work done at, double check their work. Okay, because everybody's in a mad rush to get everything done. They do not pay attention to anything. So, it'll be your responsibility to double check the work that you just paid for. Messed up, right? So yeah, so with this thing loose, most likely it was sucking in unfiltered air through here, and it could do a lot of damage over time, of course, because you don't know what's going to go through here. But yeah, when this wasn't tight, surprised it didn't give like a little bit of a weird funny run to it. Sometimes the cars run a little funny. All right, that's it. That is your air filter in a 5.7 Hemi Challenger. Thanks for watching. Ciao.